Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will first introduce my name. My name is Diah Barsari and my partner Faras Aziza. We are from class 1 CC5 and I want to present our project entitled LBAQO, which we the cases from LBAQO is their background, LBAQO on flowchart, LBAQO on pseudocode, and LBAQO on diagram. LBAQO system are the learn basic of Al-Qur'an online is an online system that can be used by all those who want to deep in reading the Al-Qur'an. The existence of learning basic Al-Qur'an online can help users to earn the basic of Al-Qur'an anywhere, anytime, so it saves time, space, and cost. A flowchart. A flowchart is a type of diagram that represents a workflow or process. A flowchart can also be defined as a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm, a step-by-step approach to solving a task. The flowchart shows the step icebergs of various kinds and their order by connecting the box with around. The is example flowchart. And the material will be continued by Faras Aziza.
I will continue the presentation from here. Pseudocode. In computer science, pseudocode is a plain language description of the steps in an algorithm or another system. Pseudocode often uses structural convention of a normal programming language, but it's intended for human reading rather than machine reading. The purpose of using the code is that it is easier for people to understand than conventional programming language code, and that it is an efficient and environment-independent description of the key principle of an algorithm. This is example of the code. Dry run. A dry run is the process of a programmer manually working through their code to trace the value of variables. A dry run will involve a printout of the code. The programmer will sit down with a pen and paper and manually follow the value of a variable to check that it was used and update as expected. It is not uncommon for programmers to carry out a dry run when reading the code on screen rather than using a pen and paper. This is example dry run. Thank you. We saying Gus, tak ada gading yang tak retak. If there is a deficient, make it a preference to be better in the future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.